kill you, sneaky cat. Man, sneaky cat.
Man, I should have put these on the sneaky cat. Look at those. Woo! Alright, what's up everybody? Welcome back to the channel. So if you watched yesterday's video, I found out that my axle boot is leaking. So today, we're going to try and take the car to the dealership. Even though it's modded, we're going to see if we can get it fixed under warranty because I haven't messed with the suspension at all. So, Kevin got his covered under warranty, and he's actually got stuff done to his suspension. He has airbags. So they could have blamed it on the airbag system being too low, but they covered his axle boot under warranty. So I'm going to see if I can get my axle covered under warranty. You can't just swap the boots out. They actually swap the entire axle out. So before we head over there, I've got to drop these slicks off at our buddy Dane's place. He's got a big turbo badass Monte Carlo, and he also actually has a Hellcat on spray. So I got to take these slicks over to his place first, and then we'll get the Hellcat over to the dealership. So another deal on the axles is that a lot of the axles were recalled. I believe they ended up switching the material they were using in 2016, but a bunch of even stock Hellcats were having to get theirs replaced in 2016. I haven't heard of any 17s or 18s that have had problems, but a lot of the 15s, and then even in 16 when they replaced them, a lot of those still had problems. So it could have been the year layer or the time of year that theirs was produced. Maybe they didn't get the upgraded one. But I believe that's why I'll be able to get it fixed under warranty, is because even if my car was stock, it most likely would have happened anyways, just because they have had problems with stock Hellcats and the axle boots tearing. So you definitely don't want to be driving around with that stuff because it just slings grease everywhere. And probably like worst case scenario would be slinging grease like on the tires or in the brakes and something not working like it should. The tires getting real slick on the top end. So it just creates a mess for everybody. So, like I said, I gotta go drop these slicks off over at Dane's place. They own a place called Sit & Performance. I think it's over here off 6th Street. And like I said, he's got a big turbo Monte Carlo, and then he does have a Hellcat that's tuned by HHP, Joshua Schwartz over there. And he pretty much has the same setup as I do, but he does have nitrous on top. And I think he's just spraying like a 100 shot though. And him and I have ran, but neither of us really hooked up. So we're supposed to run again here sometime soon, but I definitely gotta get this axle boot fixed, and then I need to get these lowering springs off. And if you're wondering, I didn't say it earlier, damn Diesel, why are you so loud in the morning? I do have lowering springs on the car, but they are Mopar, so they're OEM lowering springs. It's not like they're aftermarket. So I think we'll be okay, but we'll update you guys when we get over there. So there's Dane's Hellcat right there. Ooh, looking good in the B5 blue. Finally are in the Hellcat. We're headed to the dealer. So I put this sign on here, and I'm gonna tell them, do not flash PCM. So if your car is tuned and it's at the dealer, like right now, the Hellcats have a recall for a cruise control, some faulty cruise control thing, and it's fixed by them flashing some new software into the PCM. But if they do that, it's gonna kick out your tune file. Luckily for me, I have Diablo, so I can just flash back my E85 tune from my tuner. But people like Kevin, who have HP tuners and don't have the actual HP software, he cannot flash his computer. So when the dealership did his axle, they actually had to ship his PCM off to Livernois, have them flash it, and then send it back to him. So it took a couple days, and he was without his car for a couple days because he had no PCM. So, but I did put this little sign on there, and then when I get there, I'm gonna tell him also, just make sure you don't flash the PCM or do anything else. Just strictly swap out the axle if it can be done under warranty. If it can't be done under warranty, then I'll purchase the axle myself and I'll just do the install myself, like not a big deal. But it'd be nice if it was under warranty because I think they're about $600 for one. So at that point it's like, do you upgrade the axles to something like a G-Force or DSS, or do you just fix the one? So we'll update you guys when we get to the dealership and we'll see what they say. Alright, so there's the sneaky cat. So, the guy said he's going to take care of it. It's going to be done under warranty because they have been faulty on these cars, even the stock ones. So even the stock boots, I don't know if I told you, but they rip. Like, it's not because of the power I'm making or because I'm racing it, it just happens. So, if you have a 2015 or 2016, I mean, even a 2017 or 2018, I guess you'd have to check, but just make sure you're keeping an eye on those, and you'll be able to tell when it's slinging grease all over the place. So, I guess we're gonna get this bitch fixed under warranty. Which is nice because it saves me a lot of money and time having to do it. So, if you guys wanna know if you can take your modded car to the dealership and get warranty work done, sometimes you can, sometimes you can't. Like things like electronics, I haven't messed with the electronics in my car, like the stereo, so if that goes out, I'd still expect that to be done under warranty. So we're gonna get the axle boot fixed under warranty. As far as like motor and things like that, obviously would not be under warranty because it's tuned, but the fact that the axle boots have been ripped on stock ones and mine being modded, they're gonna fix it. We're gonna go get some food now. So, make sure you guys always comment, like, subscribe, follow me on Instagram and Snapchat at Bambi39, and we'll see you guys on the next one.
Pushing heavy under